Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Daily. My name is Jack, and today we are going to learn how to talk about family in English. Family man, woman, girl, boy. Family is something we all have, and talking about it is a great way to practice English. Before we start, if you like this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps me make more lessons for you. Let's get started and have fun while learning. Segment 1. Family Vocabulary. First, let's learn some simple family words. Repeat after me. Father/dad, mother/mom, brother, sister, grandfather/grandpa, grandmother/grandma, Jack. Great. Now, let's make small sentences. My father is a teacher. I have one brother and one sister. My grandmother is very kind. Pause and repeat these sentences out loud. Good job. Segment 2. Talking about your family. Now let's talk about your family. Repeat after me. I live with my family. My mother cooks every day. My father works in an office. I love my brother and sister. Jack. Let's practice a short dialogue. Who is in your family? I have a mother, father, and one sister. That's nice. I have a brother and a sister too. Pause and repeat both parts. You're improving already. Segment 3. Describing family members. Next, let's describe our family members. Repeat after me. My father is tall. My mother is kind. My brother is funny. My sister is smart. My grandmother likes to read books. Jack. Try making your own sentence. Repeat it out loud. Fantastic. Segment 4. Talking about family activities. Now, let's talk about things you do with your family. Repeat after me. We eat dinner together. We watch movies on weekends. We go to the park on Sunday. I play games with my brother. Jack. Make a small conversation. What do you do with your family? We eat dinner together and watch TV. That sounds fun. I like to play games with my sister. Pause and practice both parts. Good job. Segment 3. Describing family members. Next, let's describe our family members. Repeat after me. My father is tall. My mother is kind. My brother is funny. My sister is smart. My grandmother likes to read books. Jack. Try making your own sentence. My is . Repeat it out loud. Fantastic. Segment 5. Talking about family jobs. Let's learn how to talk about what your family members do. Repeat after me. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. My brother is a student. My sister works in a shop. Jack. Small dialogue. What does your father do? He is a driver. Great. My father is a chef. Pause and practice both parts. You're doing amazing. Let's recap the key phrases we learned today. Family members: father, mother, brother, sister, grandmother. Describing family: my father is tall, my mother is kind, my brother is funny, my sister is smart, my grandmother likes to read books. Talking about jobs: my father is a doctor, my mother is a teacher, my brother is a student, my sister works in a shop. Now, here's a fun question for you. Who is in your family, and what do you like to do together? Write your answer in the comments. I would love to read them. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. White heavy check mark. Thank you for practicing English with me today on English Flow Daily. You're improving already. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.